Hello beautiful people, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Darin and I vlog about food from all around the world. So I'm going to be showing you how to make various delicious and yummy recipes from diverse countries and cutting across various continents. If this is your first time here and you're yet to subscribe to my channel, can you do so now by clicking on the subscribe button, which is that red button you're going to be seeing on the screen, and which is actually down below this video. You can also click on the bell sign so you get notified when I have new videos up. You can also follow me on Instagram, on Facebook, and on Pinterest. You would find me there. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make barbecue using an indoor grill. And I'm going to be making two different types of barbecue. So I'm going to be using chicken thighs for my barbecue. And this is actually the perfect recipe for August long weekend. In Canada, we do have civic holiday this weekend, so it's a perfect recipe for you to try out with your family. So I'm going to be using two different types of sauces for my barbecue, because I'll be making a savory one and I'm going to be making a sweet one. So let's start with a list of ingredients.